Cause ya go ahead na ya carry ni boku ya je no gire ya ozi why me no wa ya le wa kon e petu ri na o se wa mi wo wa mi wu e hun da wa mi san e me no o tu no mo no wa e no gie boga irewe ina mo na mu o ma nu de re nu ya sun ale livie ni vie kakabo ya mu pa mu we ne ge dagbon we nu ya sun ale livie ni vie e ba boki la we gbe social media na di tina una e bi vieva de we ya bie e ya mo gogo e ya mo furi igi ogun ya ga ofuri ogogo ila ya dagbon u ya bi vieva ko we ki gbe age no bia enu e bo ati nu wa social media ihe agbeju ohun social media o ma ri no we won na ya de o ya re hun da we e kwa to si muri agbon enu e ho ne ma e ke biebi nu muri agbon ya de ba no kan re muri agbon hun da we e we obi e we emi dan we no ka re de late no sa o we mi dan o bi mi dan e mata o bi mata ara teata ta wu ra to ta wu so kun pa no e mata ni o pe kinata nu gbe wa ya bi vieva u ke bio ona hun o zeno ye yina ona we you talk if vieva ni reko o yas bo zeno yina you talk no you love waiting today e we no want to finish that's one leba seba no ke gbe o ma gba lazi no ro we gbe na when time I was said your way o sa guy man buya e video ya lo ya sa guy ya do pe ya mo kade you understand e have service account we save in Oceanic Bank no ke sa guy man il vient Paris bekus e ya no ewu wo fa no be guy tell you don't know where a day agoji a dog barking on that. Understand it now? What done if I yari was it 32 men? Who kakaboga au yeki hunda we ugbe bono na woka nyogi. Oh boy, egay. You understand? Look at those social media now. Can you riego keya? Kenaf no fiego keya no do ya. E mana yo bodwo gwa ya garewe. Umare unu mienwa. Aburu no hedo ari pe anigbe oho e. E ari ti me deso wo otan la ho. Omo na gbe sede. Wa de re ni age e no gbe ba obedi ude. E ni wo na wo obe we. La ho ya boy udo mo no da be. Now okay, who that way? I mean, I want to down here. More time where every nonsense there is a sense. And I pass it, but to you know where and okay. It's so I who that go on as of being it. Ain't tell me where a yabo. So come back on one looking yabo. And I saw I so when or when I be if I go a ye ban. Emi dan to ye dan ara ho yiwo to ye ria unyiwa to si ni gwene ko to rade it has been with you it's an inheritance any yaru so no logo iheno le rusi uki orusu no logo no ma gwena fu ni we ye era when I do gwa ya o ga unya o wa chen bi wo talking na do. Oh, see, now I said, your way, not by. Then we know a neck be a yarri, and will do men ye. Oh, a macaque. When in many baba with a smile, you only want to see Tama. Eh, and you came out to go one that will bury ye. When I already November, men never bow with a smile, already November, and I will see color. I get by our boy. Oh, see, a native boy. Because we're body area, you won't we know it didn't wear. We know where oh, mammy, who have it. No, I would be a giroma. A Roman or headquarter. Vitali. If I know you work at all, if I know you work good be again, no have be too flat in Nigeria. Or bene for Gaga or Sanzane. A Ramiria, a Yakulo, a Ramiria Kulo, any. Ona Mugwan do ask me. Una have before. I know you cool, you're not you he or you like be or ye carouati or ye bully bear. Big berry you bele me holiday, bele yana bele here. Una way to rain. Una was you, una remiles your Kuzebude. Una remilesi or Kuzebude. A time away I see your quaba. Uma I see your quenny cow. As you come in one. You've been what you've been for us, you quay. Got bad key was a hand. My way, no, okay, madame, a good board on here. And one where beer was a gonna, I don't know a second. Yeah, come one dinner. One looking, yeah, come one dinner. Yeah, I'm a sagana. May I want to wish a guy at Boro. You need to yet a yard. Well, who's it to her? More wallet to know a honey. A tone or do a honey, Mohia Lord. Yeah, bet you a honey. You understand? Or give me bribe. A bribe in a corruption with ye. A lobo way or see one of you bow. I win an any cow. I mean. In our give a muna. Why munana cow in your son was say? Udayana. Oh, when we not have been or say that if you get a go on allow. If you low, when we feel lower, Kuweke Monica, or Wari Gwele. They to work bow a carry a day. I'm going to the Burma where we are sent well. Kenati or one at your you're going to a platform now when we commit yourself. Why call ye boy? We call ye Wari Kuji, Nuya Louis. Dimunaro, La one Louis. Do my to tar down a hawk. They hawk ya will be caught you way. Because you way. I think we're done. No, there is no business. Why, Bobo Leminema? Because we no robot no way. It was supports. Anyway, Bobo. Why do we do one? Egben Wakere, I get all, but while say we put when I hear it, you would ya, who do you want to see? Ah, go up and what disgrace one. One man got to what disgrace one. Everywhere you want to deal with the young home here, total on a big talk. Sayo, one I see we need be having a paria one. So, what might you have you what the ya? Who do I go to the government what? Who do my head? Uma help, a demu, what got it done, how you work the corgas. A demu, what got it how you bought quick on. No time go with Robban there, Robban here, Robban there, and there will put out there. Anyhow, key. Oh, Stammer just see off with be is similar. It's similar, a yak below way on it. You know, I think we didn't. I don't know him we didn't know you would tie. Only what was what to be, but what? Oh, Kina, I don't see all of what it do. Oh, Kina, I don't see. I'm on yes, because we're not whether those selling wine or can't be now, we're not selling wine. Why you make bed? Or in short, any but what you told what you get here on it. No, if I get better, what? Enogi, what damn hip about this man? In your case, one road. Nico, no, we ain't one fool. No, we only my one fool, only my one. I'm one fool in Sionia, because a big warning. I'm one for a big warning. A big warning in Sionia. Jugwe no gigu. No gi adaro, eh? Don't try me, oh. Yes, you're cool. Yes, you're cool. No gi, Mahon. Umari.
I don't know why you are building. Okay. It's a walk on the road. Understand? All the money can you are away.
What are you? No, he direct a video that will make it on. The same name Monica. Monica tu wa saloye tu wa we the same Monica we o we tu we the same Monica
Monica me uyere Monica me uyere Monica me uyere ìwé mọ̀mí wà níbi ayọ̀ òye. Ìwé ọ̀yá àtàwẹ̀ èdè mi mẹ́kàn mọ́. Ibẹ̀ òkú náà rẹ̀ òye. Iná gbọ́ ẹ̀bùn ọ̀nà pè mẹ́ náà wẹ̀ yìí. Ìgbésòwò ọ̀nà akọ́lì mẹ́ ìmáàmú. Ọ̀kọ́lì lẹ́sẹ̀ rí ọ̀gbẹ́ ni Monica Ladi ọ̀nàdó fẹ́ bọ́ yọ. Dérẹ̀ ọ̀ríkọ́lì mẹ́ wàkùtàpá. Dé fiancé mẹ́ máa mú ikọ̀ ni. Fancy when I'm going away in your life. I tell the bit no banner. On your no yaye. Who have a be. Or say, no, not here, but my melting been on the room that way. Any never on I am when away. No ye cuckoo yaki. Cuckoo yaki, the ceremony.
Undo Veboyo.
E Monica, who yave. E Monica, who yave. E Monica, who yave. Hey, on a Livie Bouré.
Yes, so Iriedo. Ari Konik Bene Robona. Iria Widari. Iria Widari. Iria Widari. Ari Konik Bene Robona. We know the story. Iria Saleka Idaro. But today, any Monica will drive you good enough. Let's see, Holland. Oh, good to be round 2. You could have done come and collect round 2. Oh, René do round 2. Yeah, René do round 2. Now, you don't get my way on. I don't even going. When I had the una play video, ni a this going Prophet Atiti. Where the fuck you were? Let's go there. Guess what? Guess what? Now you. Now. People are interrupting the pastor. Why you want to right there? Qui est que a GPC, Ivienivier and Resco? We are there in a back. You understand? Every time if you done, tell you down, how you go there. Any man that have bad evil mind, you always have evil mind. It takes God's grace for a man to change from that evil ways. Because there are some people that enjoy doing evil. They just enjoy doing evil. No time, no, they're not feel just change. One day they must try to do that evil. Because just they are way with that one, they are used to it. or a Niger wash. If you know what they used to know. Now, August Batiti, a Monica, a Niger wash, Ivie, a Nogi, they feel where they can brainwash attitude to come and fool attitude public. You have to brainwash attitude to fool attitude public. Attitude should come to a Nogi platform to apologize to Ivie and Niger wash. You know, when I hear it now, why you here or boom, almost a boom because what if you or plan and then can't buy no one because why? What can you say? Man, no can warden. A lock in women because who are me at Tifo? What's it try that man? Who are me at Tifo because at 3 years, at the beg but all the way. I'm a Beyonce. No matter the phone call you memoir at this time. Who are they live video calling me? I'm a bio with someone now. You went to my. I'm a bio with so. You never born you were. We issue you do. Me na be am born issue social media now. Who are you? I have a code. I have a code. Follow call me. I'm a bio. No go be a cook in your where. Because we are me atitifo. Or when I pending a video be a gawe. He did not view that. A video or ha. No ha you book. He did a laptop in a yard. They are the way they are. What is time now? Oh God. Oh, you never switch on chi. About this man. Yeah, I'm a woman de kuna. No, boy, who don't boy, you know. And he's like, Facebook help. A YouTube meje. If you want to watch me, come to YouTube. What are they? What are they? View are they YouTube? You understand? 2 YouTube, 2 Facebook, or you know, you have 6 or 8, 10. Here to scream me at once. You understand? Can you come over now? Here. Baba with this man. I know about this man. I'm all over. I'm about me. Here. You understand now? What the hell? Now, you okay? It be again no now. I want food so where you I want food. Tell me where we are one. Eba we want food now. You are lucky. I want food. Hey, oh God. Oh no, I'm going to say we are. In law, say we are. That person begged me to leave you. And I would say we are because of God. The land say we are. Because he watched me yesterday where, hey, now, you'll collect your injection. I'll give you your injection. I'll give you your injection. A woman I don't want to respect. No, but you done way I wouldn't say where I you will be here in this one that another way. Maybe you are a deal with trap. You understand? I want to respect so much. You might want to disappoint. Or say here I say where I but I'm still waiting for you to fall for my child. I want food. You are lucky for that woman that begged me today to please forgive you. You understand? If you want to do live video, my insult, just write my topic where. Make sure so you this go me well so that you get better view. I'm not going to talk to you. But why am I wasting service? I said to me, the me here your education. My education even education zone from a zoo. A bit no gives one. Or keep power deity. A bit no give all kind of you know. And a room over beer or me with some measure. He go on well. He go on well. He go on well. It not be you. It not be a. He no munu po ade bosie. Osie no. He go on well. He go on well. He go on well. It not be you. It not be a. He no munu po ade bosie. Ora bie. He wanna so anything. No yabi. Oh, woni, he no munu po ade odo sie. Egbe ya ifu de kwere. Oi la uga ai du mi mane ai le yu bone. Ze bi yomo no e. Ne ko ne ga gwe egbe ga laje. Emo ga he ne mo ga nwe. Ogo wo ke no gina ejiri ogun dawe. Emi dan oye dan e ba ye gwe e bi aye ban. Uni ma to si ke dan no bunya no gi. Ye ma e bi yen de ni e bi the next dollar live video. Do I give explanation? Because you have a live video. Now, I make wait till every year when you be able to explain a live video. A saga or ya be. We know what this one saga. As I get your blessing, operation or ya be. Operation or ya be vivani. Almighty push. The saga like be. Because it attack fair no. A plan by your error negi. On a fait que quand il commet il n'y a rien. Essa gaya han la riri. Aya rush here hospital. Oya operation be. Operation oya be. Or the live video. I just was successful. I know where because you know say now operation now you take on. A man no hand they direct normal delivery no. You to boy no go you know that video. I thank God of direct wire but no lie. We know the story say operation ya be vivani. But you just quick come on. Nah, thank God. Then direct the who ask you question. Who ask you question? If no, because you know say who do we do I wonder we operation ya be. Na saga. It's all where man here the saga. No one dey okay. You saga for people you see them in the dream. Oh yeah, agbo agbegu you know. Who have you me no ya? Oh yeah, agbo agbegu. Oh igbo na physical. Oh yeah, agbo spiritual. Egbe ho egbo tagbo ye ho. Wa hia wa how you kan no awe. We no akin ma gbon e. Because em wa guwa. Saga continue. Can you wait the saga? Can you wait the saga? Who are saga ma baba? A saga no gwabi. I guess you Paris saga. Okay, saga you go dey ask for money. You go dey build a picture dey come out. You go dey ask for money. They ask for money. They bring money for you. They no give. You are a boy. Oh, you are a boy. We don't care again. I feel you don't care. I feel you where Johnny Bizugbe, you are a boy. Why you make Bizugbe social media? If Bizugbe is gone. Oh God, gone so soon. Our late brother who slept in the bosom of the Lord. he slept in the bosom of the Lord. Lalayo, our late brother, Mr. John Ibizugbe, who slept in the bosom of Igbo. You can't understand. He slept in the bosom of Igbo. He died and left 3 children, plus 2 chairs, and one towel that you cleaning, with 9 inches bed. Oh God. Oh, Miss Gentle soul, rest in peace. Ehiyalalawa, Baba with this man. Don't try me. Oh. Not try me. You got to see where you go wrong. And another thing. From Victor. From everybody don't they used to that one. We don't know your style. Women, Mama, I don't just believe her, and I tell you, say I not they happy at all. Peking, we were born Peking. We never post the picture. You go post the picture. Okay, now I see they call you. You know they pick my call. Like say many people say you don't forgive us. Mama, I know you're there happy. Even if you would look the comment, people wait. I know say at the stammerer. So People will read the comments. Whoever are piri, or yeye and a bibi. Whoever piri wa. Whoever piri. Wherever na you. Oh, no gay, no even, no gay, where winner. Oh, winner, no gay, who worry a carry los say, unaga bon, unaga color, unaga web, unaga we be no gay, when I'm in Yeva, Umagio, we give a my passport you. Agmoma when no gay, my passport in no gay, give me a ganumu you want no gay, we give me medegina. No gay, no gay, no gay, Udare, no one's yabi. Oyana wale.
Fina we no leru, le yare we no.
Ge papa no mujo.
Brother no ye be jo baba ni te awe yan mi le.
No ge wife. Fake life. If you want to know what we know, you papa. You go mo ide le. Ama mind. The more closest something. We get in here. Man or woman, walk up from my mouth. They go a colors. Any man or woman, don't need to animal but my circles. You go a colors. You go a colors. What kind of pay you to buy?
Holy Ghost fire.
I hold on or you to buy.
It's my life. Inside life, inside no to live life. Inside no to live inside life, don't dare ya, don't tell me. Inside life, just so really just so.
President, Oten, Ewa Nero so kan. Oya sigidi me himi kata.
Ajebo la bona hin ajebo.
Asigidi ni me. Me we gbe mi ko. O si e na ladian do gun ave ni ya gun ani. Nda amega laye. Giare ri mu na rire ne. Ori do giari wa.
Ujo gbe yi.
Ajebo o giari gun wu yo bo me. Yo bo nu me metobi me me gberewe man no help
Okay.
la go me miri.
Okay now.
Help me bring something come. Then be say you don't help me, no problem. Oma Ona via bolo for.
Ogbomayese is always Ogbomayese.
Ajebo, uyari temi okpa. Uwe ni mawagwa kana. Uwe wawe la karame.
Okay.
Uwe pa. Social media president. Uyon Rio boy be. Na ya miegwe. Ohame. Ki womo. Eh.
Well, thumbs up for YouTube. Thumbs up.
Oni mie. No ya men la diando gbe.
YouTube.
Uniwa. Ajebo.
Après c'est Tozo.
Get me. Numae.
Like.
Nunda. A video ni do wena is a warning.
Press. What thumbs up?
Ajebo.
Go at.
We who were pa social media president. Who by value to pa. Runda utie e pa ma mo fo utie gbava utie inu days no really ahin. Inu e ma we give tie no see ke social media president weti mea. We weti menu ha ma wa. E no gere mi pa no sunu o. E vi ado mo la dia wa ko ado wo ma dahin. Where ti vieni vie emani si ke social media president si se we ga ati paro mamu ya o egbere Ajebo ayabo yen do ya yere we na le social media no can you and your ex-wife inu ya ria ki yo e many balo we serve yo you went as far as to make sure where a matter ni opa in social media re Uwe pa social media president uwe odo send no we me no iwada ke mi dey ime when me no come we na my brother we social media president o send your momo wani buno o ha ike do temi no ni yasunu o wani no do take be no ye video ni we wa bere we o have before I marry my wife or maybe she has documents she dey travel around Europe or Africa Ajebo wan bring calamity between me and social media president Ajebo where you have ever your data social media president you take be no wake be ni ladian Ajebo you have to be very careful wa delegbate gbe mi no yeverio una delegbate gbe mi no yeverio o wo kan do meji we una do me metamu we na o wo kan do meji egberi wo wa we enoge na te we no wu o mari wu ogun ogbo general Anthony Fekakatuwa wa lefe kakati wu wa lefe kakati lairin
Bam. Udeke no nato urugi. Oh God. Obohan we do men. You know gay. You will continue to live fake life. Because I mean what happened nowhere. You will continue to live fake life. Jesus. Hey, who did Germany? I believe say people who did Germany and they here. You see where for the talk or what working in the merge. When they say person come merge from Italy to Germany, one merge. For example, now say you get Carta di Soggiorno. Carta di Soggiorno, which is Carta di Permission di Soggiorno, which is the 00. 00, good, they don't renew. Now after 00, they will give you Italian passports. If you write exam for Italian passports, you request for Italian passports. If you carry Carta di Soggiorno, come Germany. One of the listen, my people, you go need person we go do amendo for you. Amendo, yes, we go do amendo for you. For example, as this, so you get address for this house. Say yes, now this house you sleep, now you stay. The person will get this house will give you amendo. With your Carta di Soggiorno, the person will get this house will give you amendo. You go use that your Carta di Soggiorno, take for work, and after you get work, you go submit that working contract for, but then a job get where they call them. Don't forget the name. Now those who are now going to give you, either they give you 1 year, yeah, they'll give you 1 year. You join that your catalyst, you know, and that your 1 year you go to the work for this Dutchland. And they hear me. And that your 1 year, now you go to the work for this Dutchland. This one when you say in wife come made, let me say that person when they give wife so it come made, it bring Italy passport, come to made, look for work for Dutchland. Then you come first you go get person will be see he go do it, give her a medal. From there you go find work. This is when you talk so you go still rent house. Because for you to go to Germany, you look for work now, house you go to stay. Government no go give you house. One of the same person will come in, that government give house. So one of the list, you know, one of the single person they live fake life, where person for the lie. You understand? When where they follow on, one of the hear big lie, where they come out for this mouse. If you comment, government not they give you house. Now you go rent apartments. That apartment where you rent, person they do for person safe. For this doctor, you people go black people, they will do for you, okay, you live with them. You will do Amado for you, get Amado. You go find work. That working contract on the level of Amado. Now you go submit. In case your letter they come, your letter they come, your address, you go they come that house where you go, that your address will go submit to. You understand? Where you go the work. From there, that document where they give you, so maybe 1 year or 6 months they will give you, you go to go open bank for Dutchland where you go the work. Now, they not gonna say wife get document for Italy. It come merge for Germany, for Dutchland. My people who come merge for Dutchland, they come. The same is not going to beat your wife for camp that year. You forget. You will say your wife come merge. He come merge for camp. You'll be understanding. Oh, my brother, me no, I tell a lie. You can lie, my brother. You can lie, you. Evil self. When you talk, say, "Hey, dear Varu, I be. He has said, "Well, what's all about me? Bog in Madolari." And even why? We don't even talk here now. Another match. All the camp. Now we have been at the camp. With Aduru, merging to Aduru. Oh God, Jesus. Nogi. Nogi ogi, baby. Nogi ogi. You are really a Nogi. A Nogi ogi. A Nogi fake life. You do the lie. You be lying no so bad. You and Monica all lie pass. No, why you ask? Nogi, you and Monica. I told you, now. And imagine you only the told you, why Monica? You two lie. You do lie. Who come men? Whether or not men, or be African, or do men with a blog Italian, they have merge with a Dutch document, with a Dutch land. Then you know the real camp. Abi, who am I? Oh, we don't want to see. Who tag my brother? Okay,
boy. No getting whatever no marry, we no getting whatever no ya or marry ya. And no getting whatever no we can't marry we camp. Or ye bedo abalua. Before I know my woman, I don't already know social media president. Me and social media president have been close friends, father and son relationship. Father and son relationship over the years before I met my wife. I am with social media president today because I love him. I love his doings. If you are not okay with that, you can go to hell and burn to ashes. Ajebo, ti megamu wenawe, to wo han merge veruna.
Na de yemi.
Amarie be yo vivon bo owo han e orie be do vive.
Na de yemi.
Owo han na owe do zagmo no meme.
Na de ye.
Linkin bra.
Na de ye. Owo hin merge veruna. Owo hin merge veruna. Na de ye. Owo hin ori bi. Wa damn ho. Owo hin merge. Ere no wo kan ma na ebie. Owo no merge. Amari bene. Now they listen and they see how person they lie. Person where merge. You merge on Dutchland as who? As a worker, as you want, they look for job, you want work. Before you merge, there must be a reason why you they use your Italian document, they merge. for another country. If you come Deutschland, if you come for visitation, maybe a month visit or 2 months visit, you come from Italy to Deutschland, and you want to come merge. You don't see work for here. You want merge. You go merge, you go to work. Now, when you don't see work, some people don't see work, they never see house, but they see person will give them address. Some people, they hotel, they lodge for hotel, they'll come to lodge for hotel, they go to find work. They go to find work for this Deutschland. With their document, they go merge. Your wife come merge as Aduro girl or what? You come merge, you don't get house. You come merge, you go stay camp. You come merge, government can't give you house. You understand? You know what they come merge? Oswald, you know what they come merge? You come merge, you get documents. Oh, you the design God. You don't really people when they tell you the truth there, you they block them. You they block them. People when they land and say what they talk so much lie, they block them. Because some money they comment in now cannot go viral or block it. Oh, what to can't you just be free living? Normal free life. You may be simple. I am here. They want collect for your hand. Own one passport, man, your own. Anyhow you take get her. Oh, but well, go where no. Don't use it to deceive other people near your day. Don't use your fake life to deceive other people. That's most things when they go on social media are not real. So if you get 10,000 followers, they don't get 10,000 naira for accounts. So get 10K followers, they get 20,000 followers. Their account now 0 naira. Fake life. Fake life. How you go tell us your wife come merge? And now your wife see the Adoro house. My brother, you did lie, sha. If your wife come merge, your wife supposed to get apartment where she rents. Not be you put this secret wall when they really give your wife this house. My brother. Not be you and all of us here. They do coronavirus. When they stick house, when they paint house, you they use gum, they gum the sticker, they don't walk. My brother, why they lie? Not be here all of us. The when government give your wife a house, you call the come. Person will come merge for Germany, they give her a house. Or let's say you lost your house and you they walk. Bro, one year. I echo my brother. Who paid me like 51 loader? Who paid me? Olomuza market. Who paid me? Akure Junction. Wait, 51 loader working. We are very loud. My brother say koto. Reduce the low volume. You do the lie. Your wife come merge and they are do house. Off work be.
Era we you a mumu bricky blanc. You people are shocked. Ajabo, eye vaya ya ye bebogwe uga de ligbete bebe no ye radio. Iri bebogwe. Ima seti we da when we no gay. I will use you as an example. I always saga. But do not say things that you don't know. First, ikari bebogwe. Ogagai social media president or tell me mawe uve why mugbegwene uwe mugbeme social media president tell me mawe une boni gboe social media president or send no vive awe ama yike we ama live video na u ya fi po ma social media president or send no me uwe no do mueve no bie ungo ruda we the best social media president boys here ni na the best social media president wani buni ve do no ve do attack me ma beg ni me ma beg ruda when no say I do not have time for that. Yes, I not get document before. Now my woman bless me with document. Now that I have a child, what did you expect? Should I? Oh, we can do merge.
All the time. I don't have document before. May God bless all of you. May God richly bless my good beneath people will get sense. What are you doing ahead? I want you to go beg woman one thing. I want beg viewers. I know say this our sagas sometimes. Now they call them saga, but me I'm not the saga anybody. This is our live video of a thing. They use on the while wait time, they keep depression, just the while. Some they use on the cook. Some people they kitchen and they cook they arrange food, they laugh. You understand? But sorry, may you don't go through soup, or may you don't go put excess water or excess salt for the stew. You understand? But inside nonsense, there's always a sense. But there's one sense I want to make one point of sense I want to give you now. For this evening, I beg, I want you to go beg now. All of us, both my fans, my haters, both who they follow Enogi, both who they follow all of our presenters who. I just go beg now. Not be everything we will talk for here. Not be everything we will do be real. Some are fake life they follow up. Una know they do the reality they real. Who they live the kind of life where we just want to live. Not be everything way some of our presenters they talk for live video not be real. Some are big lie. And I believe some of them don't where they follow don't take for Europe. The problem where they get with things people say the new people where they want to be like them, they imitate them. Now they see people they use this one as Godfather. They say they use this one as Godfather, as goddaughter. This same person now, where all your kind of lifestyle now fake. Where you cannot just come out on social media and be honest for once and be sincere to his followers. Not just to the followers, to the whole world. You will talk what thing be say. If those person listen to you speak now, listen to what you talk, they will not say this one I just now play now move the warrior. You understand? You could just come social media, come to talk like oh man. You say now you not fair get people. The same this guy when they celebrate, we can't celebrate for this social media. Say God don't bless him. He don't get document. When in and Osas destiny, Osas when they play guitar, get issue. When they use battle as they bust that guy head for Bayan. When in take wrong for Bayan. When they pursue there for camp in and here say. When they can't come out, when they celebrate, say don't get documents. When they happy say don't get paper. And the same him now. They come out and say, enough get document. My brother, where you did? Which side you did? This is the reason why I tell you one thing. You can control truth forever. You can never control lies forever. For you to control lie, you must lie to control lie. You must lie to control lie. The problem we get with our presenters today, they don't deceive now with lie. Then for them now to the meet up, not to lie more. But Baba with the smile, they hear they expose them. That'll be the fight when they follow me the fight. It not getting that thing when they follow me the fight. All the ayala paper when they bring the come is just because they expose their atrocity. Just because they tell them how the thing be, how it be real or real grant. Whereby they come social media, they give them the fake one. You understand? This guy forgets that people, when you they like man, they will want to follow us. They watch you, they listen to you when you speak. They write congratulations for your videos when you celebrate, say you get documents. Today you are coming on here now. They let us they know say you not get documents. So those videos where you do then, when people will use you as a prayer point, someone will type from your anointing, the anointing of lies. That is the reason why all the glinters are not gold. Not everything you see on social media are real. That's the reason why some dead body when you go post on social media, I'm not going to write rest in peace. Because I don't know what's in killer. Because some even die, they want you to get favor, someone is not their population. Now a person come over social media say Davido give her belly, and ordinary Davido don't know before. Until when hang off one day, before I come to talk, say Davido not give her belly. So now be everything where you see on social media, especially from Benin presenters. Some for inside wait to lie. You see this one? This one 51 loader. Another 51 loader where they rotate the hand like this. Also, arrange like this. All the CD play go like this. Now this guy be Okbe dididi. Okbe na wolita. Okbe ina gbegbe. Ogawu. Aye ya no mono. Oh, odame. Umie bo ge ne money yala re. Umie we bo fake life ni yala la dian. Oh, Ozo, Emoki. Oh, I told me.
Then they do magic for no they call magic.
Explain.
O rame on wina yo aria me donne anale normal process. Okay, they pariwe assist on with on one aria me donne on na ya no ya meje bore. All the year ma wete payasa and yo. Is it true? Is it as in evenutana? Ogun boya. Ari ho mo no ma be wuwa. If you can't now, don't worry one more don't worry one more eto wo have gwadomo eto wo have set bie one more oye ko fure ajebo be one. Don't dare me. If you dare me, I swear.
Truth Naija, is that not the Facebook? Can't you use your own Facebook to promote Edo?
Accordingly.
Can't you use your own Facebook to promote
because
the problem with
if
you?
you know that
Lazy youth.
say
let's promote Edo. How do you promote Edo? Promote Edo with lies, with fake life. These are the people that are promoting Edo. Promoting Edo with fake life, deceiving people. The problem with me, I'm telling you one thing. Now when they talk, let's promote Edo. Let's promote Edo. The problem with Edo people is this: Edo youth. The problem where Edo youth get, not even Edo youth not even understanding the full Nigeria. Not the youth, now will be the problem. Not be the leaders. The youth now will be the problem. Until we go know the right thing to do at the right time. Nigeria not go feel okay. We go know the bad thing. Say this people want to do some bad thing. As a youth, we will still continue to do it. You when they talk say let's promote Edo now. If Obaseki now just come out now give you 2 million, you go to shout, is a chair, Obaseki 4 plus 4 talk back. Now so that they chat, what of they to say today. That the problem where our youth get be that one. Our youth go know say this person not good. But once the person hold money for hand, una go the chat follow on. Una go the best of my chair, clear off of my chair. Is a chair here, is a chair there. Who they help me to my chair? That is the problem where our youth gets. But now Nigeria youth not be only do. Now that they talk do. Our Nigeria youth, that is our problem. When you go fist, we don't just stand for the real truth. Even though you're hungry, stand for the truth. No, when they just give you 50,000, just not bam. You go one carry gun, go keep person. For that person, we give 50,000. Put that person, they commit havoc. Check Edos today. A lot of land are being grabbed today. Who they grab the land? Now the same youth like me and you, even you with the talk with the comment here. Majority of them don't. One community chairman just come out now, give you 50 by 100, or carry motor for Saple Road, can't give you. You go carry gun, go kill your own brother for him. And when they say take Edo to the world, take Edo to the world, let's promote Edo. How you are going to promote Edo when you will be the youth? You are not promoting yourself. You're not promoting your heart. Your heart is full of evil. Money go fit buy your heart. Money, small money go buy your conscience. When I go say governor not good, and I was past governor. If that's a governor where they talk now, many presenters they come out of this now. Obaseki Mawedo, Obaseki Mawukbu, Obaseki just call that presenter where they talk just now. Obaseki Mawedo, Obaseki Mawukbu presenter where they saga Obaseki now. Make Obaseki just carry phone, call that presenter. Say, what's your name? Yeah, this is also a presenter or your live video presenter from Edo. Okay, I'm going to give you your account number. I'm going to pay 2 million into your account. I want you to always promote what I'm doing in this state. Who will they bring him? Now the food social media, both the men and the women. You don't go hear their matter again. Many presenters keep quiet today because of Ilalobo where they don't chop. Many vibrant presenters on this social media, they kept quiet today. They couldn't talk because they have soaked their hands in fraud. They have soaked their hand in eating Ilalobo. They have soaked their hand in eating Ilalobo. That's the same people that will say governor not good. Governor better pass many of them. Governor better pass many of them. If we the youth not deal with ourselves, deal with our conscience, the people out there, the leaders out there, they're not going to fear them. The reason why our leaders came to oppress us, came to humiliate us, because they know our wicked points, now money. The wicked point of Nigerian people today, now money, owo. Many Nigerians, both the one where they say they don't take for Europe, they don't take, they get German passport, American passport, Canadian passport, German enemy passport, all the passport of the world, they get them. The money where they set their conscience for, the money where they set their generation for 4 years for, it not reach 1 million. The money where they said, where they put people for poverty for now, where they put people inside erosion for, it not reach 1 million. I don't think mention their name. All of the way shout 4+4. Check them today. They have kept quiet. Only few, then they feel they talk inside again. All of the way they shout 4+4. Like this one where they did scream, so this one not get direction. It was after money. It was once in PDP, because PDP not give him something. Isaiah Yamu give him something. He switched to Isaiah Yamu. This man will stand here today. And these are the kind of people you want to promote. These are the kind of people you think they will promote Edo to the world. These are the kind of people you think they want to promote Edo culture. This kind of person will love money, will not be stable as a man. It is the kind of people who want to be our leaders of our future. This kind of person. That's my scream right now. Who always jump from people. This same person go worse Pastor Baseki. You understand? So when somebody they do bad, they tell her, they call them saga. This is not saga. That's the reality. This is not what all of them they use now IDC for social media. Now what do they do for social media? Whatever I'm saying here now is what they are doing. I'm not bringing words of my own. I'm just analyzing what they are doing. Obaseki bring money come out. All of the courage shot, all of the raise finger. They wear face cap. They raise finger. They wear face cap. And those kind of people that can be our even the same. What is his name? Genocide. The day I start to disrespect genocide, where I don't say genocide cannot be mad. Now the day when genocide get deviate from Obaseki, he joins Isaiah Yamu, and from there he go donate 1 million, go give Isaiah Yamu. You will they beg, they collect from the women for the diaspora till they take care of orphanage people, take care of the less privileged. You carry money, you go they give government. And that day I know see this man on here, bribing and corruption until we the youth learn to stand by our word. The country who we don't. It not go change. They go say, can you use your platform to promote Edo? Promote which Edo? Which that place where the governor? Una we vote 4+4. Where una day now? Una not the promote him again. When all of that is raised finger up, I tell another time, I became the bad person. When all of the scattered finger, they go 4+4, 4+4, 4+4. PIO, all of the PIO, 4+4, PIO, 4+4. I tell you now, I mean, talking. He repeated, Kenokia, Keno, did not matter. Ojibahin. Ojiayahin. No matter where I tell my lane, one my squad. You know, no wire, wabokia. Today we are with thee. And the same, we are moving from fry pan to fire. From fry pan to fire. The money play I would then here. I would Ubuyoko. From now they make sure don't what they if I dey plan for this cream now, when I see the kind of road way una governor do, una go dread. Go see Lucky Way. Go Lucky Way side. Yeah. When you want measure for BT way good. When you even the same GROA, the same Gulf Road, we be say the gallop don't see the road. If you go GROA, if rain fall, you go bagger. If rain fall for side GROA, if rain fall, enter the Gulf Road, then you can't see water. What to do? From fry pan to fire. Now they call the comments me. I use my platform to they promote. Una where they follow me, una know me. Say I not did all those things. I want to talk about them. We also talk about the streets. But today we'll talk about this man. And I'm going to talk about Captain just now. I'm going to play one video.
I'm working social media president.
The video will do.
Mami Shula, God bless you. Mami Shula, you are Mami Shula. Before I know you. Mami Shola, you even know my woman before you know me. Mami Shola don't come our house for naming. Then, Ajebo, il a deliberé one thing we know. Ebebo gwe. Ebebo ni ariye gwe ki bon.
Ajebako. You know that.
Ebebo, because I need to come and explain to some idiot. Epa, I was saying no me. I will not allow any man to send for my precious daughter. I repeat, I will never. It's better no hanyara duro. Naya me we. Omado send no me. Insult. Ajebo, you yourself, you know me very well. You know what I can do. You know me well. Here live video presenters in the na yagbaki ye. You yourself, you know me.
Yes.
Ajebo, if you dare me, il a deliberé one thing. Il est pas gwe. Il va nous tout temps nous voyons. Why voyons ne? Ma worry. If you are going to that way, we won't more. So, all are here.
Yes, so let's.
Ajebo, where we were back by us up, we can. You betray.
Yes. People will live Ajebo and Nuki. Yeah, Frankie, now. Now with the comment that they watching now. Okay, now let's go there.
For live video, a party. This Amelia Welfare na a pa. Amelia Welfare ne party Duaro Vienna. No one bune live video presenter. See nothing wrong in it. It was this a platform a Pagamelia Welfare. That blessed men in Europe. Oh, 1 year. Nanatie Okonoro Wato, Ashego, and Iamo, Ian girlfriend, Ian winner, Ian Hasigo.
Where Hasigowa? Where Hasigowa? Okono one no and to Hasigowa. Single modern, the committee move one only Hasigowa. One no, little Hasigowa, don't winner, they will. Then we need be a winner. I can not go on.
Evil. Una go the blame person. Wanna hate. Wanna think say if you not even think and put yourself in the shoe, in the pain of the children to see their 63 years or 65 years old father being buried.
This capture won't say nothing to talk
like that. Ona mwe egbeni lati. Ona ga te na wese. Ona ga te na we mas. Ona ga fiere. No ya damese. O yedo. O tin kafte unsa. Egbere. Egbeje. O tin wo hanoku.
Yes, so my people. I know what this woman talks to. Concerning what that lady that Yoruba woman talk about kafte unsa. Nobody will go say don't watch that video. No presenter will go say don't watch that video. The many presenters are lock up. Even me, I lock up. No, I lock up. I'm not talking about the issue because I say, and the truth, now the woman talk. I don't feel that woman. That woman a blogger. The truth about Kafte Unsa, now I talk. You understand? The reason why many people lock up because the man, they say, oh, we don't know, and don't die. A ragbon. They say, man, a ragbon. And now, that matter, I know say our people for talk put. We all for talk put. You understand? But the truth is bitter. Now the truth, now that woman talk for that video. If you know Kafte Usa, if Kafte Usa be nusa, if you know heavily, every woman is talent. Which no one because now Yoruba woman talking, now you call the paro. No what they give you Obama sonny. Me they ask this one. No what time might be. And your mother social media where pick by you. Our time perfect. You get within the social media, we live video presenter for being live video presenter on the Pumas. You get within the social media where they know the Pumas. The woman not there. na family friend. He know their story. And he talk and the way it happened that year. Nobody will know that thought is, they be like thought his story. You understand? What even made the woman thought that now when that woman, when they cousin, this Captain Unsa story, now prayer points for many of our women. And a lesson to many of our women. Where they carry, where go marry, go their husband house, they go they bring their cousin, come and stay with them. Cousin can stay with Captain Unsa and the wife. He collect the Captain Unsa married for her. Pursue his wife, they divorce. Captain Unsa divorce his wife, marry his wife's sister, put for house. Now can be wife today. The woman will born for you when you are in and suffer. You pursue and marry your own sister, your own cousin, put for house. They will not concern. Not be the family where still go allow that kind of man constantly marry their own 2 children. Divorce the senior one, go marry their cousin, put for house. Their cousin, picking where you train, where they call you daddy, uncle, you they give them school fees. That's a picking. Now you come marry, come pursue your sister, divorce your sister. Not the way Bonnie no fit do. Omego. Also, that thing Omego name Abule. What? Because we just keep quiet. Say we don't know the story, or we fear to talk about the story. Because why? Many people know that in that year. Unless many of you now busy never see grow or who now hear that matter. You understand? Your own junior sister collect your husband for your hand. Constantly come marry. The family support him. Constantly born for your people. How will you don't born put? Now your husband don't die. May you go pay your last respect to that man who you born your children for. Your own sister go ban you. May you not see may you not go that burial. Your own sister will ban you. May you not enter that burial. You can't to an audio me or bo, yeki, me or dory on me. On imagine this way. If any anati, when I went neck to Maria D. Or my this way. No, we are here, not one audio. I mean, I get in the bed, no kill like ba. Radoya recover. What that's where I caught. I have bundled money from court. You understand? And I band up money from Cordnell Liberia. On I go on our way, or what I have to way. No, we are one for we're getting us most of the young when you have a nuclear. Because there we are telling Larry nuclear. You understand? Oh, I don't have any sooner. My hair, sad guys, should be the sad guys is there. All of us would sad that person. O saga that woman go miss a period. Odo. O don't we know what you baby and why you go on, man. Would your 20 kid do cake? Why will not about 20 kid or 20 kid do me or done to real only? And I see life. Or that go to divorce way or your 20 kid de la wa. No matter what 20 who you want to marry the go your only you are. And they see that, oh God, money too sweet. Hey God. Hey, this life not balanced, yeah. Or don't you hear who or 20 credit will wait in you that one or that thing about a better amount in you. Can you imagine?